We create very intuitive tools that make your coding smooth and do a lot of mundane tasks for you. You can offset your boring predictable parts of code to our wizard. And you can focus on innovative parts of code that need your ability to find specific and unique solution for your development task. It will generate predictable and repetitive parts of code and gives you as developers time to innovate. Due to simple interface, our tools could be used by web developers at any experience level. For the beginner, it could be a tool to study how to do a simple program. For more advanced developers, tools help to save time and brain power on predictable and repetitive part of the code. Our interface gives you chance graphically design even very complex report in several minutes, and it will create several hundred lines of code that would otherwise have to be written manually. It also creates space for technical specification, just by reading final code and pulling important elements to Word document. It supports table for select option parameters for report list. It also generates structure of program and subroutine. The wizard gives you the chance to continue creative work, saving you hours of repetitive labor. KodWiz significantly improves your productivity and in the same time delivers a well-designed code. Our interface gives you an intuitive point-and-click way to design basic details of your development object, and then by one click it will generate several hundred pages of code, saving you many hours of work. KodWiz gives you time to concentrate on more creative parts of coding. Generation is done in background without any user's input necessary in several seconds. The user only needs to copy the generated code and paste it to his development system. We estimate that developer productivity could be raised by 200 to 400%. KodWiz significantly improves your productivity and in the same time delivers a well-designed code. Then the wizard provides you with all fields belonging to the selected databases, from where you can point and click select the specific fields and subset of fields that you need in your report. Subset is copied to the wizard container, and now you can select additional specification for selected field, like select criteria, hidden from list, field for drill down feature, and other additional features. This is an example of the front end of our cloud service. In this screen you can select the type of program you are going to generate: report, conversion, or application. What will be the target code platform: classical ABAP, Fiori, ABAP, Swift, etc. This is the place where you enter your database list. From here you will generate the program by clicking on Generate icon. Here you can upload list of your tables and fields to make them available during the design phase. The tutorial on our website demonstrates in 60 seconds how to create simple report using our tool. If you are not completely happy with generated code, you can easily modify it to cover your specific needs. It will try to structure report with MVC approach. Model part select statement and collection is isolated from display part. When your development is done, you copy your code back to our tool and it will generate the complete technical documentation in Word format. KodWiz is not just for developers, but could be used by functional consultants as well to define their request in detail and generate functional specification in very convenient and fast manner. Their design could be taken over by the developer, who can make final tune-ups and generate code that will be used as base for final product. KodWiz uses SAP database data to create specific data model related to the required development task. Generated code will be structured the way following the best practices. It can be used for training beginners in basic coding approaches in ABAP developing as well. Repetitive parts code are minimized or completely eliminated. We estimate that for simple development object our tool will save up to 90% of the development time. Adding new functionality or fixing code is very easy and fast. In all cases the final program has same structure and could be in future be easily handled by another team or developer if any change is required. It could eliminate offshore requests and keep all development efforts inside the company, and also eliminate issues with takeovers. The generated programs will be easier to keep in sync with the company code architecture and standardization.